Hello, I want to talk to you today really quickly about logging into Badgerlink from home. If you go to the Prescott School District website and go to the Library Media Center page and click on Resources, this is the list of resources you will find. Badgerlink is near the top, so click on Badgerlink. And this is what the home page of Badgerlink looks like. The best place to start searching for your information is in Browse by Audience. So click All Audiences and High School Student, and this brings you to the list of databases that you can use to look for information. There are several encyclopedias on here. There are databases that pull together articles and newspapers. There are several books that you can read the entire book from Badgerlink. I'm just going to click on one that we use a lot, History Reference Center, to show you how to log in. The first time, I had already logged in, so this is the page that comes up, but the first time you log in, you are going to get this page. Now don't worry, because you can still get in. Click Login for immediate access, and we are Prescott School District, so type in Prescott, and it's under the public library, so Prescott School District, and our login number is 262820. Log in, and that is going to get you logged into History Reference Center. Very quickly, when you're using this, I'm looking for information on Abraham Lincoln, I search, and the databases all work very similar to each other, so you don't have to be in History Reference Center. You could choose Moz Ultra or some of the other databases to find your information, but this is what your result list looks like. Remember to always click on the full text to get your information, because that will bring up the actual digitized article. So here's an article about Abraham Lincoln. And then remember these tools on the right hand side. You can access your Google Classroom, you can save to your drive, you can print. This is the one we love. Badgerlink will cite this source for you. Scroll down to MLA and you can copy and paste the source and the citation and put it right into your works cited page. Good luck using Badgerlink. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or stop into library office hours from 9 to 9:30 or 11 to 11:30. Have a good day.